have this video on my timeline. I want to add this video inside a text. So I'm gonna add the text right now. For that, I'll grab this text tool and quickly add the text and format it. To format the text properly, I'm gonna use the Essential Graphics panel. For that, we have to go to Windows, turn on this Essential Graphics panel. I'm not gonna waste your time by teaching about how to create a text. Obviously, you know how to create a text. That's why you want to know how to include a video inside the text. So if you wanna see more short tutorials like this, just make sure to subscribe and like. Whenever you want to increase the scale of a text, make sure that you increase the scale from this vector motion panel. Don't increase from this motion under this video, because if you increase this like this, you can see that the quality of the text is lost. Now to add the video inside this text, we have two ways. The first way is to add a track matte key. So we go to Effects panel and search for track matte key. Here we have this. Drag and drop this onto the video, not on the text. We are going to drag this onto the video, and from effect controls we can select this track matte key, and you can see that matte to video number 2, because our text is in the video number 2. And here we can see that our video is inside the text. So these black regions are transparent right now. The video is visible only in this text region. To see the transparent background, we can go to this settings icon, check this transparency trend, and here we can see these check marks in these regions where the video is transparent. If you don't want that, we can turn it off again, and here we have this. But there's a problem in this effect, because if we move this to a higher timeline, we can see that our effect is lost. So we have to again go to this video. From effects controls, we have to select this matte into the video number 5, because our text is in the video number 5. We have another way of creating this video inside the text. For that, I'm gonna go to this Essential Graphics, or you can use this text tool, and then I'm gonna create this text. And then I have this video. So now I'm not gonna bring this video below this text. I'm just gonna add this video inside this text. If I select this text, and here we have this panel where we can add some more graphic layers. So instead of a graphic, we're gonna add this video inside this. And here we have this video. This video is looking small because I have a 1080p video in a 4K timeline. So I'm gonna set this to 200%. And here we have the video in a full screen. So now what you can do is we can select this text and go down here, select this mask with text. And here we have the same effect as earlier. And also we can invert this so that this region will be transparent and the rest of the regions will be having this video. For example, if we just again turn on this transparency grid, here we can see that the text is transparent. So we can have another video beneath this and we can see that video. But in this way, we cannot see the video as a separate clip. So if you want to add some effect, for example, I'm going to add this camera blur onto this graphic layer. Here we can see that our entire text got blurred. I don't want that. I just want to blur out the video. So for that, as you can see, this camera blur is above the text, so we can just drag this below the text, and here we have this blur add blur to the video. Okay, so in this way, when we are having a video in this graphic layer, we have to make sure that the effects are in the order we want, otherwise the entire text will be affected. In the earlier method, we can add any effect to the video only and it will affect the video and both affect the text. So these are two different methods we can use to create this video inside the text. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and